Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I
I hope you are doing well. So guys, today I'm taking house hunting. I know this will come as a surprise, but guys, we are moving. So yeah guys, so I'm going to take you house hunting. We are looking for a 2-bedroom house just like this one, but hopefully a bigger one. So yeah guys, come with me, and my niece, she will be taking me for today. So yeah guys, so let's go. Bidi nachukuanga vizuri. Sijui kama tunatokaga. You see that apartment there? We were there, but we were told not to take any video, so I didn't complain. I just followed the rules. But 2-bedroom, that 55k. Gosh guys, people have money. 55,000, that's way my budget, so it's a bit expensive. That's why I didn't even argue with her. But it's nice, the kitchen, I love the kitchen, but the price, no, I don't think 55,000.
It has a lodge, it has a backup generator,
and
a gym.
We have a gym
and an elevator. So
elevator, gym, horse reels, transformer, its own transformer. Okay, we have a gym. We have our legs. We have no lift, but 55k.
Working out is good.
Yeah. So yeah guys, so I didn't argue with her because of that, the price though, but I would really wanted to show you the house. But anyway, let's go check another one. Guys, the second apartment, I can take a video actually here, and there's a lift. So this is the bell as you come in. The first thing I've seen is this laundry area where you can put your washing machine. I think I should view the house first, then I show you guys it. It looks so good. Let's go. Wow. Open kitchen, my guys, I'm craving for open kitchen. The third apartment we didn't take the video, the kitchen was so big, you guys, but this one is nice too. Let me show you. Wow, so more drawers here.
Shamu.
Look at this corner. All of this, like the living room has more privacy. So you have the toilet for the guests. the shower. Okay, it's like for the second bedroom because it's just one master and suite. So this is the first bedroom for the kids. Okay, I love the lighting. The lighting is better. The wardrobe, lighting. You can hang your clothes here. So shifty. And I love the fact that they have this part where you can fold your t-shirt, trousers, and all. And master suit. This is the master suit. We have the bathroom here. You do the closet, I think it's the same. The closet are the same. This is the toilet here. Come show me to spend the washroom. Yes, it was so classy.
Oops, nimeshika hapo.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be.
The first apartment you are viewing, as you have seen it, this is like, okay, I love the kitchen. It's an open kitchen. That's what I'm looking for. But it's like moving to my own, the house I have, the same size. It's like same size. But the difference is I have like 3 washrooms. This one has 2 for the master and suite, and for the guests, and for the other bedroom they are sharing. So that's the reason. Yeah. So let's check another one, which I was told it's nice. I don't know whether it's still on vacant, but we have to check. So the best thing, they have a lift, as you have seen. The parking is well. Then it's along the highway, so it's easy to get to town. Yeah, you live near stage, something like that. That's the best thing I've seen, and the views, they're amazing. So let's check one last one. The other side of the view, guys, for the other 2 bedroom, then we compare the other side, that house there. It's the same size, but I just want to show you the view. So guys, this is the other side. As you can see, it's the same kitchen. One thing, guys, I'm just scared of this balcony. Like, no, I'm not good at heights, but this balcony is not for me because I'm so scared. I like the height when it's here, but look at this view. Amazing, right? Yeah, that's it, guys. I don't want to stay there for long, but that's the balcony. Guys, this is the entrance of this apartment, and I love it. Let me show you. After you enter the kitchen. I will just do a quick tour. Oh my god, look at the finishing. Look at this kitchen, guys. I'm standing here. This is an empty space. And then look at this. You can put a small dining here, dining table. Look at this kitchen. The kitchen has its own balcony, like it's here. You see? So amazing, guys. I've been wanting to come check this house. Wow, look at the kitchen cabinet. You guys, look at all this. The finishing is amazing. It's like an open kitchen, but then it's like, hey, it's so big. Look at that, this space. You guys, my gay. Let me take you to the living room. Look, there's chandelier. Look at those lights. Again, ish. It's so big. Look that side. Then that side, and there's a balcony here. Another balcony on this side. Let me show you. And the lighting is amazing. It's a quiet place. Actually, guys, as you can see, the view from here to my home, it's the same. Because I'm looking for the house just near this area because of the school and everything. So this is the balcony near the living room. As you can see, guys, it's so big. It's so big. Now let me take you to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It's a ensuite. Look. Now this is the landlords we want. They're building extra, like the space. Look at this. There's this wardrobe here. Look at this. And this side there is one, and drawers. What? The washroom and the bathroom. Let me switch on the lights. Look at that, guys. Who wouldn't want to live here? This is the washroom, guys. You can put your towels there or the tissues, those things, you know, for the, yeah, you know. There's a mirror here. Look at that. Let me take you to the master ensuite. Hey, someone is tired. Okay, this is the master ensuite. As you come in, there's a mirror here. You can close the door like that. And look at this closet. I don't know whether this is the master or I don't know. I think because the bathroom here is big. We have another closet up there. I feel like I should give this to my baby. Okay, I don't know, guys. Let's check the bathroom, then we can decide. This room is for the kids because you can see the bulb. I know. Let's check the washroom. It's somewhere here because there is another door here. Look, guys. Look at this. This is for the master or something. I don't know. Actually, it's just the same. Only the size. I love it. This is the kitchen. Ish. My dream kitchen in an apartment. Imagine this is an apartment. It's not just your own house, you know. It's an apartment. Compared to the house, the 55K house, this is a bit cheaper and it's big. It's big, the kitchen, the living room, the closets. There's a lift. There's a lift. Hey, there's a parking and a lift. Yeah. So let me know, guys. I'm going to, I don't know, the price is way over our budget also, but I'm loving this. I don't know, if I'll be doing another house hunting, I'll let you know, but I have to decide on this one because it's my dream apartment. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving this one. I think the last one, this is the last video. Okay, this is the last part I'll do today for house hunting. I think we have done enough. Then we'll check more houses near the other side, cause yeah, I need to compare all those, because I'm looking for a house where there is still school. I don't want to change my Taraji school. I don't want to change schools, that is, so I just want near the area where we are living, so that's why. So it's a walking distance, so yeah. So guys, I'm going to end this video here and let me know about this house. What are the difference between this one and the other one we just came from, you know. So guys, I see you on the other side. Let me end this video here. I hope you would like this video. Let's house hunt, let's move together, because we need Christmas to be in our new home, yeah, before end of October, before the schools are closing. After schools are closing, that's when we are moving in, so I still have time to house hunt. So I hope you enjoyed this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next one, bye.